Planning to take your NAATI test online with ProctorExam? Here's your complete step-by-step guide from setup to test day. Let's walk you through everything you need to know. In this video, you'll learn pre-test setup and system check. What to prepare for test day. What happens during the test. Equipment and system requirements, pre-test setup. To begin, make sure you're fully prepared with the right equipment and setup. Laptop or desktop with a working camera, microphone, and speakers. Google Chrome installed. A second device, phone or tablet, as a secondary camera. Stable internet. 10 megabits per second download, 1.5 megabits per second upload, with low latency. No public Wi-Fi, firewalls may block your connection. No headphones, smartwatches, or other electronic devices. Disable ad blockers and Chrome extensions. Keep your passport or Australian, NZ driver's license ready and your face must remain visible at all times. System check, 48 hours before test. 48 hours before your test, you'll receive an email from ProctorExam with a link to complete your system check. Use the same devices, internet, and room setup you'll use on test day. Install the ProctorExam Chrome extension and mobile app as instructed. If the email hasn't arrived, check your spam folder or contact support. Online testing at naati.com.au. Receive test link. After a successful system check, you'll get another email with your actual test link. Use it to log in on the scheduled day and time. NAATI follows Australian Eastern Time. We recommend logging in at least 15 minutes early for setup and identity check. Test day environment setup. On test day, choose a quiet, private room with no distractions. Clear your desk, only your devices, pen and paper, ID, and a bottle of water are allowed. Position your laptop directly in front of you and your phone or tablet to clearly show your surroundings. Turn off notifications and prepare for a 10 to 15 minute identity verification via ProctorExam, and this time doesn't count toward your test. During the exam, once the test begins, here's what to expect. Your entire session, video and audio is recorded. Suspicious behavior or leaving the screen may pause or end your test. Bathroom breaks are not allowed, unless it's an emergency. Use only pen and paper, no phones, notes, or digital tools. For interpreting tests, audio plays in 35-word segments, followed by a chime. You'll have 5 seconds to respond. The total time is fixed, e.g., 20 minutes for CCL. For translation tests, follow the on-screen instructions and submit your answers before time runs out. Finishing the exam and results. When you finish, click Finish Exam to end recording. Upload your responses via the NAATI platform. For CCL exams, results will be emailed in about 4 to 6 weeks, and for certified interpreting or translation, expect results in 8 to 10 weeks. If you're not satisfied with your score, and it's 58 or above for CCL, you may request a review through your My NAATI account within 30 days. And that's your complete walkthrough for the NAATI ProctorExam online test. We hope this helped you feel more confident and ready. Best of luck, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful test tips.